Miguelove shout out. And dito naman si Skylove. Gagawa tayo ng aking bracelet. If you remember last Sunday, I have live at ito na guys ang aking nagawa nun. So we're going to continue this until I will finish all. It's take a long. So more time to make this jewelry. So samahan nyo ako guys. Join me in my jewelry making. So ito yung aking mga gamit. Materials that we needed. Of course, ang ating thread, ang ating seed beads, and ang ating needle. And of course, scissor. So let's eat. Have a blessed day, everyone. So samahan niyo ako guys. Ayan. Siguro naman nakikita naman ninyo ako dyan. Wala pa yung mukha ko. Okay lang yun guys, kahit wala yung mukha ko. Importante. Diyan ba yung mukha ko? Ano yung mukha ko guys? Hello, shout out sa 1 million na nanonood. Sino ang number 1 na present dyan? Shout out naman si Hosh. Pa-comment naman guys kung sinong nandyan. 2 million. Hello. Shout out John Keisha. Okay, let's make. Continue natin ang ating ginagawa. OMG. What happened? Nandito na pala ako. So, magdudugtong ako nito guys. Walang ulo. Hirap kasi. Hindi ako maka-atras. So, that's fine, right? Don't see my face. That's okay. So, I just put there. So, before that, I need to lock. So, kamusta ang ating araw? Hello. Good evening. How's your day, guys? I wish all the best for everyone. Okay. So, yan. I will need, oh no. That's okay. Hello. Hindi daw makita yung mukha ni Host. Kailan yan? Ano tingnan yung mukha ni Host? Yung video ko walang ulo. Kaloka. Paano kaya ito? Ganun na lang. Nalilikramo kasi siyang walang ulo. So, alam ko na. I-urong natin saglit ito. Kasi ganyan, oh. Hi! May ulo naman si Hosoy. Grabe naman kayo. Host. Wala talagang ulo. Yan, may ulo na yan. Pero hindi naman makikita yung ginagawa ko. It's just like that. So, it happened, it's not makikita. So, maybe